Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super useful topic: how to send an ACH transfer using Ally Bank in 2025. If you're new here, ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse, and it's a secure way to move money electronically between banks. Whether you're paying bills, sending money to family, or handling business transactions, Ally makes it straightforward and often free. Let's get started. First, ensure you're logged into your Ally Bank account. You can do this via the Ally website or their mobile app. It's quick and secure. Once you're in, head over to the Transfers or Payments section. By 2025, Ally might have some interface updates, but look for the ACH transfer option. It's usually easy to spot. Next, click on Add a Transfer or New ACH Transfer. You'll need to enter the recipient's details, including their bank's routing number, account number, and the account holder's name. Double-check everything here to avoid any hiccups. Mistakes can delay your transfer. Now, specify the amount you want to send and choose when the transfer should happen. Ally often lets you schedule it for the same day or future dates, which is great for planning. Keep in mind that ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, so factor that into your timeline. Before you confirm, review all the information on the summary page. This is your last chance to catch any errors. Once you're good, authorize the transfer using your security method, like a PIN, password, or even biometric verification for added safety. A quick tip: Ally doesn't usually charge for outgoing ACH transfers, but always check for any limits on your account. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters and avoid potential fraud. There you have it. That's how to send an ACH transfer with Ally Bank in 2025. It's simple, efficient, and helps you manage your finances like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.